In this video, I will show you how to password protect your folder on Windows 11. So to get started, go ahead and open the File Explorer into your Windows device. And then in here, head over into that specific folder where you want to password protect a folder. And then once you're in there, go ahead and right click on that specific folder and then click on the add to archive button, which you'll find in here. And then in here, go ahead and click on this set password button after you name this archive. So select the archive format and then select set password, enter the password that you want to add for this folder, and then re-enter the password for verification. So after that, you need to go ahead and click on that OK button to save the changes. And then once you click on OK and reload this page, you'll be able to find that folder protected with password. So once you try to open it, you'll need to enter the password that you have created. And that is how you can basically password protect your folder on Windows 11.